Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Provirtec 6.5L Stay Clean Tank Humidifier. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Stay clean tank for your family. Tank built in special materials for water treatment, helps reduce odors and residue caused by water impurities, keeping the water fresh and mist clean. The seamless, dead angle-free tank design prevents leaks and eliminates concerns of water damage. Effortless to maintain, simply rinse or wipe for a spotless clean without the hassle. 65 hours of continuous comfort. Fill it and forget it. The 6.5L tank, 500 ml or 18 ounces, larger than typical models, provides up to 65 hours of use on a single refill, 30% longer continuous humidification. Great for both daytime work and overnight sleep, it delivers consistent, comfortable cool mist throughout. The wide mouth top fill design makes refilling fast and easy without moving the tank or stopping the humidifier. Refilling takes just 10 seconds with one hand, quick and hassle-free. Fast humidification, relief from dryness. HC12 Vaporizer Humidifier, a high mist output of up to 330 ml per hour, quickly boosting room humidity to relieve dryness in bedrooms, large rooms, living rooms, and offices. The stepless control knob allows precise mist adjustment. The 360 degrees rotating mist outlet allows you to direct the mist wherever needed, ensuring even humidity distribution throughout the room. Set the mood with light and aromatherapy. The built-in soft night light helps you sleep, while the aroma tray on the side allows you to add essential oils, congestion relief, and relaxation. Humidifier with essential oil diffuser and night light for bedroom. Turn off the light for undisturbed sleep. Peace of mind, built in, the unit automatically shuts off when the water runs out or when the tank is lifted to ensure safe operation. Multiple safety features not only protect your family but also help extend the lifespan. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.